my channel. My name is Beyza. I haven't recorded video for a long time, but I am back with a very nice dessert recipe. I'm going to show you how to make Turkish street dessert. What I'm going to do today is Lokma. Lokma has been a very popular dessert since Ottoman. For centuries, Lokma has been known its simplicity. It's basically like a fried dough. A good Lokma is like crunchy and golden outside. Also, it should be juicy inside, but not doughy. Let's start. Firstly, I will start with the sugar syrup. I will stir sugar and water and a slice of lemon. I'm going to stir all of them. Then bring it to boil and keep it like 10-15 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to prepare my dough. My ingredients are warm water, sugar, salt, yeast and flour. What I need first, I will pour my warm water into the bowl and sugar and yeast, mix all together. Okay, rest then like 4 or 5 minutes. Now it is time to add flour and salt. If you strain the flour, you can get better results. I will measure my flour. And salt. And now let's start the mix. Firstly, I'm using this spatula, but after I will use my hands. Now I'm going to use my hand and mixing rigidly from one side to other side. Actually, this technique is simple, but you need a bit muscles to mix mix it. It's not simple technique, it's hard. As you can see, it is like elastic and like sticky. This is like what we need. Let's check one more time. It is like elastic and sticky. Time to rest this dough. I'm going to wash my hand first, and then I will cover with the stretch, and then I will keep it like minimum 30 minutes, and then if you keep 1 hour, I think it will be great. Let's wait 30 minutes. And then I will cover with towel. Okay. This is ready. We can turn off the stone. We can wait 30 minutes for our dough. After a good rest, we can start the deep frying. I will mix like really gently. I have been heating oil in a deep pot until like boiling point. I will take some dough into my hand and squeeze it between my thumb and forefinger. And with my teaspoon, I will just take it and pour it into the oil. For second part, I will make a bit smaller ball. I will deep fry. It gets until golden brown color. Now it's enough because it's fully. The heater is not like really high. It's medium now. and this is another important thing. Because they need to be deep frying slowly. If your oil it's really hot, you can make it like they're gonna be cooked quickly, and then inside it's gonna be really doughy. I'm cooking slowly, frying slowly, and then looks really good. You can make it small and medium. Don't make it really big ball. We need to keep watching them and turn the side. They are looking really good. And now my sugar syrup really cold, because when they are ready, we're gonna pull immediately into this cold sugar syrup. Okay, almost ready. Next one, I'm gonna make it a bit smaller. In Turkey, they are making like really small balls. They are golden brown. I'm going to pull it immediately into the cold syrup. Don't leave them too long, like 10 seconds usually enough. Let's do all of them. And now we can serve them. Now I melt milk chocolate, and I love to eat the lokma with the chocolate, and also you can use the cinnamon and white chocolate as well. Also I will put some rose dry flour. Looks like really delicious, and we can taste them. The outside is crunchy and then golden color. Oh! Yum! Yum! Inside juicy but not doggy. Outside is really crunchy. That's really good. You have to try this and then send me the photo. Thank you so much for watching me, and see you for next video.